In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your settings and privacy on LinkedIn. If you want more control over what other people can see when you browse profiles, LinkedIn makes that pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the right setting and choose the visibility option that works best for you. To begin, open LinkedIn and make sure you're on the main feed page. This is the home page where you normally see posts, updates, and activity from your network. Starting from the feed makes it easy to navigate no matter what kind of account you have. Once you're there, look toward the top of the page and click on. This is the menu connected to your profile, and it gives you access to your personal account options. If you're using a smaller screen, the layout may look a little different, but the Me menu is still the place you want. After opening that menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps the main controls for your account, including sign-in options, visibility preferences, and other privacy-related tools. If you've never explored this section before, it's a good area to become familiar with because many important account controls are stored here. Next, click on Visibility. This section focuses on how your profile and activity appear to other people on LinkedIn. It's especially useful if you want to manage your online presence more carefully, whether for professional networking, job searching, or general privacy. From the Visibility section, click on Visibility when viewing other profiles. This is the specific setting that controls what people see when you visit their profile. In other words, it determines whether your identity is shown clearly, partially, or not at all when you browse someone's page. Now take a moment to decide what other users should see when you view their profile. LinkedIn typically gives you a few levels of visibility, ranging from showing your full name and headline to a more limited or private mode. The right choice depends on your goals. If you want to network openly, full visibility may be best. If you prefer to browse more discreetly, a private option may be a better fit. Before you finish, remember that changing this setting can affect how much information you're able to see about profile viewers in return, depending on LinkedIn's current rules. So it's worth choosing the option that balances privacy and visibility in the way that works best for you. And that's how to adjust your settings and privacy on LinkedIn, specifically for profile viewing visibility.